This is the tile that I purchased and the battery passed, already. So what I did is I got a knife, flipped it over. It's not easy. But first you have to loosen it up a little bit. You hear that clicking? Now, it took me longer with the mate. I guess this piece is different. I guess you do have to fit it in somehow. Since this gold metal part is much more cheaper than the other one. You hear that cracking? So something I don't want to do is like shove it up on there because I don't want to damage the frame. See that crack? And that's how I opened it. So, battery. And pretty much it's intact. So for this, so you have to fit it in, fit it in. Now this one was easier. I don't know. Maybe it's a different metal. Sure, yeah, gold, right, man, right. So you can see the difference, thickness, thinness. Now I believe this, it's glued. Would seem that the luxury one was cheaply made. Because, I mean, it was easier to remove the stuff from there. The glue. Now see this one? Switch it in there slowly, you know? Separate the glue. Alright guys, this is my first video and I'm sure I already passed the 10-minute mark that I wanted to do. This battery, it's just the glue in there. So what you need a tool, you need like a nice thin sharp knife. This is what I used. And what you do is that you try to poke it in there, because these two are together basically like a sandwich inside there. So I don't know. And now I have to watch the video because I forgot which one is the, maybe it does this right here. Oh, cut. And that's how you open a tile. So get a nice sharp tool, be careful. Just shove in there, rank it slowly on the sides, on each side, and that's how you have it.